Hey, are you starting out on scooter driving or any kind of motorbike driving? Here are some safety things I do put on when I'm going to drive a scooter. First thing first, safety is very important. Number one, I always start with my balaclava. So I'm going to put it on very quickly. This one protects me from wind. This one protects me from any kind of debris on the road. Remember, I have long dreadlocks, so it does protect my dreadlocks. This is very important, guys. This protects you from dust, debris, and any other thing that may come to your hair, dust, anything, you know. Second thing, I do put my shades on, right? This one protects my eyes when I'm riding the scooter, protects my eyes from anything that may get into my eyes. You know, you need to protect your eye. So when I put balaka, you might put it inside if you have a long or a round neck shirt or t-shirt. Make sure you put it on. Sometimes it does get out because of wind, but hey, it doesn't matter. Just protect your neck, hair, your face from the sun, and put on some shade. The third thing, I put on my hat, and this is because of the sun. Sometimes when you're riding and the sun is just there in front of you, sometimes it's too harsh, and then when you put this, it allows you to see the road clearly. So the next thing I do put on is helmet. It's good to have a helmet that actually shields your head. You can put it on, no problem. Make sure it is locked, make sure it is tightly locked, and it is safe. It's not moving around, it's not shaking, it's not bouncing, it's not dancing. It's just perfect. You can adjust if you need to do that. You can adjust that one, and there you go. I put on my jacket. This is to make sure I don't get cold, I don't get, pneumonia. Make sure I'm well protected. I protect my heart from strong winds. When you're riding, you need to protect yourself. We have some jackets that have, protective gears, but if you don't have, you make sure you're riding your bike or your scooter at low speeds so that you're making sure you are safety. Because safety is all that matters. So far so good. This is just standard. This is not the ultimate protective gear. It's just standard. Make sure you have at least a standard protection when you're riding. So in the next video, guys, I'm going to show you how to ride a scooter.